welcome back to Eyes on Digital, reporting to you live from here in Boise, Idaho. Today our topic will be discussing how to address a negative review. Here are just a few tips and tricks to keep in mind when you have to address a negative review that has been posted on your profile. Number 1, make sure you understand that you simply cannot please everyone, so don't take these reviews to heart. And number 2, know that it's quite likely that Google will not remove this review unless it violates with their standards, rules, or regulations. And number 3, make sure to maintain professionalism when you respond to this review. Number 4, make sure you are encouraging your clients who appreciate your work to post their positive experiences in a review on your profile. For more information, please check out all of our social media platforms or go check out our website, getsocialized.com. I'm Abby Scott, and I'm signing off.